The nightmare is always the same. It's just you and a cup of coffee. Oh, and that lunatic just outside. You know you shouldn't answer, but you do anyway.
Did you remember to close the garage?
Who is this, you ask?
Ah!
First, you go for the knife. Then you go for the keys. Then you run for your life, but you never stay on your feet. Oh, Cindy. But then you remember, wait a minute, I have myQ. And the nightmare's over. Life doesn't have to be a horror movie. With a smart garage camera and the myQ app, you'll be able to see your garage is secure. And you can get back to doing what you love. Have a lunatic-free Halloween with myQ.